Many misconceptions about feedback hold us back from using it effectively. For example, some people think feedback is just criticism, but in reality, feedback is about growth. It highlights strengths while addressing areas for improvement. Another myth is that feedback is a one-way street. Effective feedback is a dialogue. It involves asking questions like, "How do you feel about this suggestion?" to make it a collaborative process. Some believe feedback only points out weaknesses. In truth, balanced feedback celebrates what's working while offering constructive steps forward. Techniques like 2 stars and a wish make this easy to apply. Finally, feedback isn't just for students or employees. It's a universal tool for personal and professional growth. Whether it's guiding a team or improving your own skills, feedback builds resilience and drives progress. By debunking these myths, we can embrace feedback as the powerful tool it truly is.